more on the legal implications of the trial. Let's bring in a former federal prosecutor and attorney, David Weinstein. Let's first say that Donald Trump Jr. said his knowledge of accounting is limited to Accounting 101, which I got a kick out of. But he was personally certifying all these financial statements and was appointed, he and Eric, to run the company when Donald Trump took office as president.
It's a pretty tight eye of a needle that he's trying to put this piece of thread through. He is, as you said, the person who is signing off on this, but what he's doing is he's deflecting. He's saying, sure, I signed off on it, but as you mentioned, I don't have an accounting degree. I know basic principles of accounting. I relied on professionals to give me good advice. And they gave me this, what I thought was good advice. And as the person who needed to sign, I signed off on it, but I relied on what they were telling me. He's insulating himself. He's insulating his father, his brother, his sister, and other people in the organization, and directing whatever was done towards the accountants and the lawyers, some of whom we've heard testimony from, and some of whom have admitted to committing fraud and have been convicted of that.
Right, and one of whom, I know one of the accountants was shocked at one of the wildly inflated estimates of one of the Trump properties on one of these applications for a loan from a bank.
Right, and they're certifying these under oath. That's what these people keep forgetting.
Yeah.
It's not like somebody's coming in and giving you a piece of paper and go, look, give me your best estimate. No, these are certifications under oath that are being relied upon by people who are willing to lend you millions and potentially billions of dollars.
And just very quickly, David, you know, the Trump organization, they've already been found guilty of fraud by this judge. This is all just about how much of a penalty they'll pay for this.
It's about damages. It's about other counts that were not specifically related to that particular part of the fraud. But yes, you're right. They've already been found guilty of the fraud. This is about how much money are they going to have to pay back because of the fraud.
And whether they'll be able to ever operate in New York City or do business in the city again. All right, David Weinstein, thanks so much for your expert legal analysis. Really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.